In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon Pay to Shopify. Adding Amazon Pay gives your customers a familiar, trusted way to check out using the details already saved in their Amazon account, which can really help improve conversions and make the checkout feel smoother. I'll walk you through each click inside your Shopify admin so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Shopify store and head straight to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home page you see after logging in, where you can view orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look for the Settings option. It's usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Go ahead and click on Settings to open up all of your store configuration options. Inside Settings, find and select Payments. This is where you manage everything related to how customers pay you, your main payment providers, alternative options, and manual payment methods. Click on Payments to open that page. On the Payments page, look for a button or link that says Add Payment Method. This is what you'll use to connect new providers like Amazon Pay. Click on Add Payment Method to bring up the list of available options. You'll now see a section where you can search by payment provider. In the search bar, type Amazon Pay. Be sure to spell it correctly so it appears in the results. After a moment, Shopify will display Amazon Pay as one of the available providers. When you see Amazon Pay in the list, click on it. This tells Shopify that you want to use Amazon Pay as an additional payment method for your customers. Next, you'll see an option that shows the transaction fee details and mentions processing fees applied by the provider. Click on this option to proceed. It's a good idea to quickly review the fees so you understand the costs associated with using Amazon Pay on your store. You'll then be taken to a page where you can install the Amazon Pay integration. Click on Install to add it to your store. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm by clicking Install again. Once you do that, Shopify will take you to a straightforward, quick setup page for Amazon Pay, where you can complete any remaining configuration required by Amazon and finish connecting your account. After that, Amazon Pay will be added as a payment option